Namaskar. Welcome to this edition of News Bulletin in the headlines today. Enhanced material entry and exit system for CISF inaugurated at Traffic Gate. SA 8000-2014 second surveillance audit concluded at RSP. And hectic preparations going on for the Ghosh Yatra. Now the news in detail. The Computer and Information Technology Department of Rourkela Steel Plant, in an enterprising endeavour, has developed a new red card system for tracking of materials at RSP gates. A newly developed enhanced material entry and exit system for CISF was jointly inaugurated at Traffic Gate CISF Control Room by Mr. R.N. Naik, GM CNIT, and Mr. Rafakat Khan, Deputy Commandant CISF, on 12th July. Present on the occasion were Mr. Samrat Rangi, Assistant Commandant, Mr. A.L. Dash, DGM CNIT, and officers and staff of both RSP and CISF. Speaking on the occasion, Mr. Naik highlighted the importance of the system in bringing about transparency through SAP system, where data can be stored and retrieved for a long time. For proper implementation of the system, he suggested for the updation of the systems in the control room of CISF. The system was developed by the ERP team of CNIT department, comprising the deputy managers Mr. D.C. Yadav and Mr. D. Sarangi, with the help of Mr. Manish Singh and Ms. Smruti Rekha Naik of Messrs. SAP. From the CISF site, inspectors Ms. N. Lata and Ms. Vibha Kiran played a major role in developing the system. The program was coordinated by Mr. Y.P. Das, DGM CNIT. It may be noted that as per the earlier system of entry and exit, materials needing repair and reconditioning were sent out of RSP in vehicles through traffic gate using red card system. In this system, a maximum of 4 materials could be fed in SAP system, beyond which a manual entry was required to be made. Besides, the system to check the inflow of repaired or reconditioned materials required to be made more effective. The new system now has the provision of entering unlimited number of materials going out of RSP in any consignment. It can also register material entry and return dates. In order to avoid tampering, red card entry has been made inaccessible after closure. This system is a great boon for RSP, where it can easily track and trace material. The SA 8000-2014 second surveillance audit, surprise audit, concluded at Rourkela Steel Plant on 12th July. Mr. R. Khan, GM PNA, chaired the closing meeting held at Personnel Conference Room. Many senior officers of RSP from works and non-works areas and auditors were also present on the occasion. The 2-day audit commenced at RSP on 11th July. The auditors from Messrs. BVIL, Mr. Alok Nandi and Mr. Pradeep Kumar, audited different units or processes of RSP like Special Plate Plant, Mechanical Shop, Safety Engineering Department, Town Engineering Electrical, Oxygen Plant, Personal Contract Labor Cell, etc. They also interacted with the social performance team of RSP, comprising 13 employees and interviewed groups of workers and contract laborers. During the closing meeting, Mr. Khan thanked the auditors for their meticulous auditing and assured them of full cooperation and compliance of the points raised in a time-bound manner. The auditors in turn appreciated the effort of RSP and shared the findings and highlighted the suggestions for further improvement. The entire proceedings were facilitated by Business Excellence team. It is that time of the year again when the Lord of the Universe, Lord Jagannath, along with his elder brother, Lord Balbhadra, and younger sister, Goddess Subhadra, is getting ready to pay his annual visit to the home of Aunt Gundicha. On 14 July, the three deities will ride their respective chariots to begin the journey amidst the resounding clash of cymbals and the tumultuous thundering of drums. Hectic preparations are going on at all the Jagannath temples of the still city to celebrate the festival with religious fervour and grandeur. The preparations for Rath Yatra in fact started on the third day of Vaisakh in the lunar calendar, popularly known as Akshaya Tritiya. On the day of Snana Purnima, the three deities were given a holy bath on the Snana Vedi. As per the custom, the deities then fall ill and were therefore kept in isolation at Ansara Ghar for treatment. After convalescing, the deities gave darshan to the devotees on the occasion of Netrotsav on 13th July. With this, we come to an end of today's news bulletin. Namaskar.